In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Trello to Excel or CSV. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to get a clean file you can open in Excel or share with your team. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is the main hub where all your boards live. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams, so you export the right board. Once you're on the boards page, click the board you want to export. Give it a moment to load all lists and cards, particularly if it's a large board with lots of attachments or checklists. On the board, look to the top right for the three-dot icon. This opens the Board's More Options menu. Click it to reveal additional actions that aren't visible on the main screen. From this menu, choose Print, Export, and Share. This section groups everything related to sharing your board outside of Trello, whether you're sending a quick link, printing, or pulling data into another tool. Inside this area, you'll see an option to get a link to this board. That's handy if you just need to share view access with teammates who already use Trello. But for a spreadsheet, keep going to the export options. Choose Export as CSV to create a comma-separated values file. This is the format you'll open in Excel or import into Google Sheets. When you click it, Trello will generate and download a file that includes your board's lists, cards, descriptions, labels, due dates, and other standard fields. Save the file somewhere easy to find. Then, open it in Excel. If you see everything in one column, use Excel's text to columns with comma as the delimiter to separate fields. You can also adjust date formats, wrap text for long descriptions, and filter by list or label to analyze your tasks. You'll also see export as JSON. This is a structured data format that's great for developers, automation, or migrating information to other systems. If you need every technical detail and relationships between objects, JSON is the way to go. If you just want a spreadsheet, CSV is the simplest choice. A quick tip, if you don't see the CSV option, it may be due to your workspace's plan or permissions. JSON is generally available to everyone, but CSV export may require an upgraded plan. In that case, check with your admin or consider using JSON and converting it externally. That's it. You've navigated to your board, opened the export menu, grabbed the board link if needed, and exported your data as CSV or JSON. Now you're ready to review, share, and analyze your Trello data with confidence.